WBPDCL Recruitment 2025. And what is the last date? Today is the last date to apply. 793 vacancies. And what is the link? Note the link, wbpdcl.co.in. And this is for what? According to the notification, the West Bengal Power Development Corporation Limited has invited application for multiple positions across technical and non-technical roles. Okay, so the application window is closing today. If you want to apply, quickly apply. It is for what they have to obviously apply before the deadline close, and obviously you want to avoid mistakes. Okay, so you have to quickly apply because we cannot do an application in hurry. The candidates can register to the website which I have already mentioned to you. From that you can do, you use your application, make the application fee payment, and you can go for the same. Okay, there are various posts for the same, and today is 13th October and the vacancies number is 793. Okay, and there are various posts under this category. You have assistant manager, technician, overman, mining sardar, and many more are there. Okay, so this recruitment includes multiple categories. As you can understand the categories which I mentioned, you can talk about ITI, you can talk about diploma. So the separate notifications are being released also for overman and mining sardar if you are opting for, assistant mines manager if you are opting for, welfare officer, corollary engineer, junior engineer, say mechanical, electrical, and surveyor, and assistant teacher. Okay, so eligible candidates who all are there, if you're looking into this notification, quickly apply, do the same, because this is the final day to submit it. Okay, so best of luck to all the students. Different notifications are being out for the same. I have mentioned with you the different categories. Okay, around 793 application start date it was being done, and today they have given you. So go to the official website, go to the home career page, go to the specific notification for which you want to apply, give your application details, and don't make any mistake while you are giving the details. Okay, and apply online. Okay, and keep the credentials because it will be used later to log in and take out your admit cards. Best of luck.